Hi everybody, today I want to show you this UBOX version 12. It's for all of you who want to have some extra channels, worldwide channels, basically from every country. So it comes in this box and it's this thin. It has for the Ethernet, the HDMI cable, a USB, and power. And as you can see, it's very thin, very small. This is all you need. Comes with a charger, and all you have to do is connect it. I'm going to connect it right now, and I'm going to show you on the TV how easy it is to use. It also comes with a controller, and you can do everything from here. Again, it'll take a second to upload, and then once it does, you have access to all the TV channels, all the movies from every single country. I'm going to show you all of that. When you connect it for the first time, so you have to choose that you want it in English. It comes right away in Chinese, so you have to make the changes for that. Once you're in the screen, you have right here for your live TV, or actually you have here the different apps that you can access. You have right here, if you want any more apps, you have all the different ones right here, and it goes down. And then also from right here, these are the apps that you have to download. Those are the ones that are going to give you access to all your movies and TV shows. And here is where you save your favorite movies, your favorite series. I don't have any saved yet, but that's where you would put it. And this is again where you have here for live TV and your movies and series. So right now I'm going to put the live TV so you can see. I'm not going to leave it very long for the usage on YouTube or any other streaming services, but this is Braided channels, and here will give you, and you can choose from French, and all the TVs are in French, Germany, Italy, Philippines, Thailand, any country that you can imagine. It's right here. Canada, Korea, Japan, China, documentary, sports, movies, news, Taiwan, USA, Australia, any countries you can imagine, you can have right here and select from this set. And then when you want to change to movies or TV series, you go right here on this one, and it takes a second to load up. And then you also again have your live TV, then also you have your movies, and you can select whatever countries you want. In this case, I'm just going to choose US. And then again, you have the latest ones that are available, and you have all of this that is available for you to select. And once you select it, you select the full screen, and I'll show you right there. Perfect quality. And you can select your subtitles. And then if you want to watch any TV series, you select over here. And this again, different countries you can select, or you can select all, but then there's too many to choose for me. So I choose US. And here you have, just as with the movies, you can get the hottest recommendations, the most recent updates, the most popular ones, anything like that. And again, here you have all the different series that from any country available to you. And again, very high quality. and just available for your fingertips. I haven't gotten into all this stuff, but you have different, like if you want cartoon animations, you want children's, a sports event, like for example, the cartoon one, it's all the anime ones. And again, you can choose from all the different countries and languages that you want, or if you want to just choose from US, then this will be, more of them will be actually dubbed. But again, for all of that, and again, for the children ones, you have all the different channels, all the different shows that are specifically to children. And again, you can choose from every country that you want. And again, this talks about the box itself, and there are, again, more apps that you can choose. Yeah, unfortunately, my microphone ran out of battery, but I'm basically explaining that this is a great product. You have access to every country, whether you want to practice learning another language, or if you know another language and you want to keep up with not only the language itself, but news from that country or anything like that. You have access to all of that, regardless of the country. And for the price, the quality, the abundance of choices, this is a great product, and I hope that you guys enjoy it just as much as I am.